Hello guys, I'm Chisholm from Escort Support, and today I'll be showing you how to create a PayPal QR code using QRverse. A lot of businesses use payment options like POS and cash or bank transfer, but using the PayPal QR code saves you cost and it's a lot more secure for your users and you also to use. Alright, so once you log into your QRverse account, get into your dashboard, click on create, you scroll down and also click on PayPal, generate PayPal QR code. Click on choose. Alright, so we're just going to select the payment type. It could be buy now, add to cart, or donations. Whatever purpose it is serving, you click on it. So for now, I'm going to use the buy now option. Enter your email address. Okay. Enter the item name. I'm just going to use shoes. Item ID can be anything you use to tag your products. For now, I'm just going to use a number. Enter your price and the currency. So over here in the text box, you enter your shipping fee. So my shipping fee can be 5%, can be $5, $10. In a case where I do not need to enter a shipping fee, I ignore. So for this case, I don't need a shipping fee, but in other cases, I might need a shipping fee. So I'm just going to put $5. Enter your tax, 2%. And you can see that. So in a situation where I don't need a shipping fee, I'm just going to take that off and over. Alright, so over here I can select what color suits what I'm going for. Okay. Okay. Alright, so yeah, I can change the foreground color if I want to, or enable gradient. But I'm just going to work with what I have here. So I have the options of enabling gradient or leaving it as it is. Okay, so I go over to shapes and patterns. Here I can work, I have a number of patterns that I can work with. I can decide to go with this, or this, or this. Alright, so you can go with whatever pattern you decide to work with. I can decide to change my marker border to something very unique, something that just suits whatever purpose I want it to work for. So I can enable marker colors if I want. Okay, I can change that color, but I'm just going to go back to black. So you have to also be careful that whatever changes you're making doesn't alter the scannability of the QR code. So you need to take it easy with the editing whilst you're, creating your QR code. Okay, so I move over here. I can insert logo or whatever logo I choose to insert. It could be your company logo. It could be the logo for the brand. It could be your picture. It could be the picture of whatever product you are selling at that point. Okay. You can also decide to add your frames. Also, work with this. You have a good number of them. So this is really nice, especially if you're going to be placing this on, your checkout counter or on the tables for your restaurant or on your store window or your packaging, whatever or wherever you're going to place it. This is a good frame. you can choose any of the frames, but it's nice to add a frame and a text which is scan made to get buyers or your users to notice the QR code. You can also change the color of the frame. Okay, just going to leave it at black. All right, go to settings to change the precision and size that suits your business needs or you as an individual. All right, so I'm done with this, and I click on done. Okay, so I will title this PayPal payment code. Cool. Save it in a folder. You can see it's a static QR code type, and then click on get code. All right, it's as easy as that. So this is beneficial to entrepreneurs, business owners, and also the agencies. Okay, so the benefits of using a QR code for your PayPal payments is that your users do not need to handle cash or cards, and even you as a business, you do not need to handle cash or cards. You can also post your QR codes, your payment QR code in your store window or your store door, or where it can be visible for your visitors to see and also scan. You can attach it to your packaging if you're an online business, or you can post it at the checkout counter. It saves you cost. You do not need to purchase a POS equipment or special equipment to accept payments. You do not need to handle cash in your store or your restaurant or your or wherever you are. You do not need to. It is safe and secure, and you do not need to carry any bank or cash information. And it's very, very, very easy to use. All right. Okay, so that's it, guys, and I hope this helps. All right. Thank you.